How do undercover operations catch burglary rings? Imagine walking into a scene where law enforcement officers are blending in with the very criminals they are after. That's exactly what undercover operations do to catch burglary rings. These operations are like a game of cat and mouse, but with a lot more planning behind the scenes. The goal is to infiltrate the criminal network without tipping off the suspects. Officers often pose as buyers or even fellow criminals to gain trust. They might pretend to want to buy stolen property or offer to join in on future thefts. This helps them gather first-hand evidence of how the ring operates. To make these operations work, law enforcement sets up fake businesses like pawnshops or shady buyers. These fronts lure in members of the burglary ring who think they are dealing with legitimate buyers. During these transactions, officers record conversations, take photos, and sometimes even record videos of the illegal sales. This evidence is crucial because it shows who is involved, how stolen goods are moved, and the methods used to fence or sell stolen items. Sometimes, undercover agents conduct multiple transactions over weeks or months. This helps build a solid case by revealing the entire structure of the burglary ring. They identify who supplies the stolen goods, who transports them, and who makes the sales. Combining this with surveillance and data analysis, investigators can track stolen property from the scene of the theft all the way to the final buyer. This comprehensive approach makes it harder for the criminals to hide and helps law enforcement dismantle the entire network. From a legal point of view, undercover operations can be tricky. Evidence like recorded conversations or videos is very strong, but defense attorneys will look closely at whether law enforcement followed proper procedures. They might question if the operation involved entrapment, which is when officers induce someone to commit a crime they wouldn't normally commit. If the legal process wasn't followed correctly, evidence could be challenged and possibly thrown out. In the end, undercover operations are powerful tools to catch burglary rings. They allow officers to see the crime in action, gather solid evidence, and trace stolen property through the criminal market. While effective, these operations must be carefully managed to protect the rights of the accused and ensure all legal steps are followed.